This is the first time I'm trying my hands on stand-up comedy, and my current state is I stay with Rishabh, so we both wake up at those laughters and yeah. So we've lost it a bit, but let's see. So you know, I I've been, we've just moved in, and I come from a state called Uttar Pradesh. That's where my roots are from. And just when we started looking for the first house, it's something which I just said to one lady in Bombay, and that was our landlady. Yes, I'm a bhaiya, but I'm not a rickshaw driver. That's what happens. They when we go to them, give me a house. Are you a rickshaw driver? Like, no, ma'am. I mean, look at me. I can speak English. I'm tall. I don't even fit in a rickshaw. Oh, तो फिर आप मेरू के लिए चलाता होगा ना? That's what happened. But yes, I would like to apologize for Mulayam Singh's behavior. I would like to apologize for Mayawati's hairstyle and the 24,762 people of my kind right now at Dadar station. Because we've made Dadar what it is. You always credit the Shiv Sena for that, but trust me, go to Dadar station. At a time, there are about 30,000 bhaiyas there. And none of them drives a rickshaw inside there. Correct me if I'm wrong. We are awesome. We have 60 crore people in UP. 60 crore, mind you, legally. Yeah. But we still have space for parking. Now here in Mumbai, you can manage a visa for the US, but try finding a space for parking. You're dead. We are large-hearted people. We like solving others' problems. We go ahead, take initiatives. Last time 5 of us tried to take an initiative, they ended up as finalists at Rakhi Ka Swayamvar. How else can you justify 5 out of 10 people from UP being finalists at Rakhi Ka Swayamvar? Let alone leaders. What do leaders in Maharashtra do? 84-year-old, somebody says, oh, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead. The whole city is silent. The whole city stays numb. Everybody's out, running, as if, they've seen a naked lady or something. But our man, our 86-year-old champion, at the age of 86, mind you, 86, he's having a threesome in Raj Bhavan. Can you believe that? And they say we're not cool. Which man won't like to exchange for that man? That's ND Tiwari. I'm Umesh Tiwari, and trust me, I'm not related to ND Tiwari. So that's the story of us guys, but thank you. Bombay has been a very, very warm city, and I've only been thrown from Dadar station train twice. That's where all the anger is coming from. And guys back there, half an hour back, it was all like, it was all actually like Dadar station. If you haven't, you're Bandra guys, Yeah, I'm from Bandra. But trust me, we come from Malad. Yeah, and as Rishabh, I was about to shift, and I'm like, Rishabh, yeah. Dude, have you found a new house? Yeah. Where is it? Dude, it's Malad. You know what? It's the Bandra of the poor. Dude, it's the Bandra of the poor. So that's Mumbai for me, and thank you all. And I'm sure all of you are here just because you want to have a good time. But the truth is that most of you heard the secret of Talash and you couldn't manage a movie ticket, so you're all here. But thank you. Mumbai has been amazing. Thank you all. Yeah.